Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable Windows Defender on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Kindly take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel, it really helps us grow and create more helpful tech tutorials for you. Now, let's get into it. For those who don't know, Windows Defender, also known as Microsoft Defender, is the built-in antivirus that protects your computer from viruses, malware, and other threats in real time. Sometimes you may need to temporarily disable it, for example, when installing certain software. Here's how to do it. First, click on the Start menu and search for Windows Security, then open it. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click Manage Settings. Toggle Real-Time Protection off to disable it temporarily. Toggle it back on any time to enable it again. And that's it, simple and straightforward. See you in the next tutorial.